Hello students, this is the next video. I hope you know that we are doing pair of linear equations and we are just revising it. You know that pair of linear equations, just revision. Okay, now in this two exercises are not there, that is of substitution method and cross multiplication method. Those are exercises are 3.3 and 3.5. They are not there. You can just note it in your textbook. Exercise 3.3 and 3.5 are not there. Okay. Now what I am doing is, in elimination method there are some problems which is quite important. They may give you for the exam, so I want you to be thorough in it, and I am just revising it once. That is see, problem number about the age problem and the digit problem. You should know these two sums because they asked for them for 3 marks. Okay. See, one problem: 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So what you should do, that problem, I will just mark here second problem, in second, the second one of exercise 3.4, of exercise 3.4. So that is a age problem. So 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So that problem, how you should start? Let the age of Noori be X years. I'm just revising. You just listen. Let the age of Sonu be Y years. Okay. Now 5 years ago. So some relation is given of their ages 5 years ago. So what you should do? You have to find their ages 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, clearly you have to write the statements. 5 years ago, Noori was X minus 5 years old. Similarly, 5 years ago, even Sonu was Y minus 5 years old. Okay. Now comes the relationship. What they have told you. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So, we'll write here by condition, what they have given the condition. By condition, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Noori was. You have to write the condition, was thrice as old as Sonu. So after writing this, we have to write it in equation form now, and we have written their ages X minus 5 and Y minus 5. So Noori was, Noori means X minus 5 we have put, and he was thrice as old as, thrice means 3 times, as old as Sonu. So 3 times means 3 into bracket Y minus 5. Now therefore, we have to simplify this and get the equation. X minus 5 is equal to 3Y minus 15. Therefore, put both the variables on one side. Put both the variables on one side. So X minus 3Y equal to minus 15 plus 5. So the equation comes here, X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. So this is one equation we have got here. Now next is, they are telling about 10 years later. The relationship 10 years later. So 10 years later, we have to first write their ages 10 years later. Noori's age will be X plus 10. And 10 years later, Sonu's age will be Y plus 10. This is very important to write. 10 years back, 10 years after, how old they will be, that you have to write first. Then you have to take the condition. By condition, what's the condition given there? 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So you have to write that. That condition you have to write. So Noori will be, by condition, 10 years later. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. After writing this, we have to write the equation. We have to try to get the equation now. So x plus 10 will be equal to 2 times of y plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Therefore, x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10. So this is the second condition. Okay, children? So now what you should do? You have to solve 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So I'll write one below the other. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now what I'll do is, I will change the sign. I want to get rid of one variable, elimination. So I will change the sign. So when I change the sign, this x will cancel. Minus 1y we get here. This is equal to minus 20. Now minus minus, both sides are minus. We want y equal to. So we have to change the sign of minus y, no? We have to change. So if we change the sign here, we have to change the sign there also. Therefore, y is equal to 20 years. So we have got one person's age now. Sonu's age we got. So Sonu's age we have got here. So that is, he is 20 years old. Okay. Now what about Noori? Noori we can substitute in one equation. In any equation we can just substitute. So x, so I will just substitute here. So x minus 3 into 20. 3 into 20, it is equal to minus 10. Or in other words, x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 60 will become plus 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50 years. So x is 50. So who is x now? Noori. So Noori's age is 50 years. So that is the problem, and you have to be thorough with such problems. Okay. So some other time we'll be revising, I'll be giving such problems during the revision because it will be in different question papers also. So I hope you have understood that sum. And what is the time? Okay, 8 minutes. So next is, I want to revise that digit problem also. Digit sum also is very, very important. The sum, so I am going to write the sum. Third problem, sum of the digits. I hope you are seeing. So sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, they have given also 9 times. This number is twice. So is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So find the number, they have said. Now such problems you have done in 9th standard also. In 9th you might have done, now again in 10th also it's coming, but it may be a little different this one. So what you should do is, you have to get two equations here. That is the main point. Now what you should do is, now let us read the sum once again. Sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Okay. So what you should do is let the tens number digit be x. Let the units place digit, you can write place also, units place digit be y. Therefore, of course, even in arithmetic it is so, even in algebra you have to apply the same. The number means tens digit must be multiplied by 10. So 10x, the number will be 10x plus units digit you have to add. See, 25 means it is 2 tens plus 5 ones. So like that, even you have to apply in algebra also. So 10x plus y. The number is 10x plus y. Now what do you say? The number one first condition is the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So this is very, very simple. Now what you should do, what condition they have given, let us write it. Sum of the digits is equal to x plus y, it is equal to 9. This is one equation. Now other equation you should get like this. 9 times, see, you have to read this, 9 times this number by other condition, you have to write, of course, by other condition, the number is 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by so by other condition, 9 times the number, what's the time? I have to observe the time also. Okay. 9 times the number, 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing. Okay. So by what is the meaning of this? 9 times means 9 into 10x plus y. That's the meaning of it. It is equal to twice, 2 times the number obtained by reversing. Reversing means what? 10y plus x. So I hope you understand this problem. 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 bracket 10y plus x, because they are interchanging. The units digit will become tens digit will become units digit. That means 63, if a number is 63, then just change it, 36 will be the reverse number. If 36 is the number, is the given number, then its reverse number will be 63. So you should know that very well. Okay, now I am going to open this. 9 into 10x means it is 90x, 90x plus 9y, it is equal to 20y plus 2x. So I hope we have written everything correctly. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Okay. So then now take all x's on one side and all that. So what you get? 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. I'll put. So 90 minus 2x means 88x, and this will be minus 11y, it is equal to 0. 88x, is it 88x? Correct. See, 88x. 9y minus 20y is minus 11y. Now I can remove common factor is 11, 8x minus y, it is equal to 0. So 11 bracket 8x minus y is equal to 0. That means the meaning is 8x minus y is equal to 0 by 11, which is again 0. This is the second equation. Now I am going to write one below the other, 1 and 2. So solving, I will write here, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2, I will get, see, x plus y is equal to 9, 8x minus y is equal to 11. Okay. So now what happens? This is the first equation, second equation. I am going to cancel this. So what will happen now? 9x, I think we'll get a 9x is equal to 20. Did we do any mistake? We should see that but. So 9 times the number 10x plus y is equal to 2 bracket twice of the reverse number. Yeah, find the number. Yes, 90 minus 2, 88x minus 11y, that's true. 8x minus y, let us just see once again. It is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 9. 8x minus y is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to 0. I should put. Very sorry. So 0 I should have put, and this is 9. We come to know the mistake then and there only. We have to be a bit careful. So 9x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 9. It is equal to 1. Then y, x plus y. Now substituting in 1. In 1, I think I am hurrying because it's already time. Y is equal to, x plus y is equal to how much there? X plus y is 9. Therefore, y is equal to 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So the number is 10x plus y, no? So it will be 10 into 1 plus 8. 10 into 1 plus 8, which is equal to 18. The number is 18. So 18 is the number. So let us stop it now because it's already time.